in sacred order, nothing formed by human will. Every line and hidden chamber stands beneath his wisdom still. Holy dwelling set apart, God enthroned within the heart. All creation bows in awe to his living law. Into inner court he passes, where no common foot may tread. There the silence feels like thunder, and the air with glory spread. Cherub forms in carved reflection, palms and faces all in place. Every detail speaks of worship, every corner full of grace. Not by hands of human